carpet on the stairway. And when they did, they revealed this broken stair tread.
This one?
Yeah, and I'm concerned that they're going to break that off and fall.
Oh, you're right. That's ready to break, and if that breaks, they'll slip and fall. Well, we could remove the tread and put a new one on, but that's a lot of work. But you know, I recently found a fastener that's primarily used in furniture making, and I think it might work perfect on this old tread.